So me yard up, yard up, yard up, yard up, yard up, yard up. Ring for me middle finger, it charge up. Said
what them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless upon yourself, viewers and subscribers, man. Yeah, man. You don't know the thing going on. The attacking boss there, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. So you hear the big tune from Insidious people. Guard up what the man a tell about him. Who bearing and I tell you him do him thing and him chop and him go through and him something. Well, people, it seems like Insidious really guard up for true, or it seems like Insidious in some things we me no know about or some people no know about. Because in the morning now, people, I come to boom, right? And I go through YouTube, I scroll through and just check something. Then remember the guard up tune, I'm saying no more hear about the tune because from Bun Waste they get cut down and thing, people. After Bun Waste they slap out the police and they did see a little clip go out with Bun Waste dance to the guard up. So everybody want to hear the guard up. So I'm going to listen to the guard up. See? So I'm listening to the guard up and I say, what? I see Insidious have like 640K subscribers. So I say, yo, John was star. Oh, Insidious have so much subscriber and you know what I mean, like me never hear no popular thing with him and Uncle the Guard Up now I know as a big song for Insidious. So I say alright then, I go scroll through YouTube and thing and go through him. You know what I mean, if you check out how much song, cause he must have a big song with people. When I go through, I see a song with like 15 million views. I say, John was starring. I never hear this song yet before. You understand me, people? Because I say, yo, they know the artist say I go on good then. Then me come some boom and go down look further. People, me tell them I get the shock of my life. No joking about it. Me see a song for Insidious titled Ecstasy, people. And the song got 296 million views in a 1 year. I couldn't believe, people, no joking. Me say within 1 year, 296 million views. People, on a real level, you know, say me a YouTuber. I go almost 4 years now, right? And viewers and subscribers, me never see this song pan trending. Me never hear nobody at Jamaica talk about that song. Me never hear this song. But me no know how the man do, or if the guard up do something. Me not have bad mind no man, people. Me no grudge no man, but it's just reality. You understand? And me da love to know the method where Insidious use to get them views. Because if me can use the method of people and get them views pan a vlog, how much money me can make off of YouTube, man? So right now, I want to link Insidious, you know, for the guard up. If the guard up thing, me use people are way me use, but the man thing strong, the man thing I work. People, check it out. Which song you know in a dancehall from the dancehall artist? Alkaline, Popcorn, Mavado, name the artist them come down. You understand? Sean Paul. You understand? Them not reach them views there yet. We know so Charlie Blacks go hard. You get me? They not reach them views, the people. But the man have a song. 296 million views. Over 300,000 like. 170,000 dislike. And over 20,000 comments on the song. Ecstasy, people. In at the end, people, the video of this song, basically, you can see some clip scene there from Jamaica. You see a next scene with like him and a, you know what I mean, high color woman look like you can be in a hotel or same Jamaica, same way. I understand, people, but I don't know how the man do it. Well, me not tell a lie, people. Remember Insidious back then when they come with the redness in him eye. You understand him? They set him the tattoo him eye too. But I read him use, then him come in and see a contacts. And one heap of something people. Zine, then now from Bun Waste as me tell her get cut down. Insidious rise up, people, with the guard up song. And it's basically it's a hit song because over 3 weeks now, almost 200,000 views produced by Russian Mafia. So it's a good song. But all me as a people, me would have loved to know the methods where Insidious use 296 million views and viewers and subscribers. Honestly, even if a promotion me I get Insidious, me no business because me I gonna leave the link below to this song and make him reach the 300 million views because how did he do it? Insidious, me never hear the man name hot pan trending. Me never hear the man at the talk of this. Me never hear nothing, people. But so I'm saying, people, if he should get paid for this song, this man must get some shows all over Europe, all over the world, or something. If he have one of the most popular song in dancehall, you get me? I say, me never hear John was so. This man need to get some real interview. This man need to get some Insidious, me not lie people. And a joke thing. You need to say for yourself because I'm so frightened. And a real thing. It's a reality. Me never seen an artist do it when me not hear about out of Jamaica people. 296 million views in less than a year. This is history. Insidious, how did you do it? Honestly, link NEWLINK Insidious. Right now, me have a DM him on Instagram, you know, and a joke thing. Me want to know how him do it. What him use at the geared up. Because me have to go get geared up right now. Serious thing. Viewers and subscribers. Boy, I'm have to say still. Big up the artists. But listen to the song, people. Me not lie. Me da give it like say, honestly, 7 out of 10 on a level. You get me? I say, yeah, on my scale. Which other people may love it, other people may not love it. But if you check a lot of comments, people, enough people say how this song to be on trending, and enough people say, yo, I must the Indian them set up the views, which me no know the methods, me no know where the boss, but all me can tell you the thing big, which me know people, a lot of artists out there, if you never know, them promote them song through YouTube, which them use the song as ads. You understand? So if you they pay and promote the song as ads, and especially if they want it in a European market, or say in the Asian market, in India, Indonesia, Vietnam and those places, China and those places, they can get it. YouTube will publicize it there for them. You get me? I say people, so I don't know if I that him do, me nah go say I that him do, but me know so there are methods that artists use to get their music here around the world, people, by promoting it on YouTube and thing. It's called marketing. So I'm saying if it's that the method Insidious use, which me not say people, because the man say geared up, or the man saying ready, I think, or the man saying charge up, or the man say one phone call upon him banger, you understand? But me no know where the man do, people. Me no know. All I can say, boy, Insidious the thing up. Insidious the thing bad. How you do it, brother? People me say me frightened, you know. When me see it, me have to show somebody and say, yo, look ya. No, me never see this yet. You understand? The person I say, how this sir? And me I say, yo, is a brother out of Jamaica, you know, dancehall artist named Insidious. Man say, I never hear about him. And me I say, yo, Channel Star. You get me? So, boy, some artists will claim say them are the artist thing and a dancehall right now. Me I tell you, boy, seem like we have got cool on. Right now, I Insidious wake up now. When which artists people, some artists that beg for you to get, yo, even the 6 million views that the man get, 296 million, telling them, maybe the 97 now. You get me? Cause it like it a climb. See, somebody that, yo, just imagine you get a song and get 50 million views. How you that feel as a dancehall artist? Just think about it. But Insidious comes to boom people with, yo, Jano Star, Insidious. 296. Yo, me have to talk about it a lot, people, and a joke thing. It's reality. Zine, artists, we need to link up Insidious. Get some geared up. Get thing charge up, because the man thing fully up. Viewers and subscribers, you don't know the thing, man. This is NEWLINK, you know, from NEWLINK Production. And we say attack. And a peace, you know, and love and respect people. And be not telling like people. Still want to know how the man do it. Follow me on IG, follow me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter, NEWLINK_production official. You don't know. Peace out.